Rakuten versus Moomoo versus Webull. Let's get started. Let's start with Rakuten. Rakuten is one of Japan's largest and most trusted brokers, offering domestic and international stocks, FX, and ETFs. It's mostly targeting Japanese residents, but with some global access. So let's start talking about its pros. It offers a strong reputation in Japan, which is backed by the Rakuten Group. It's also offering global stocks for US, China, ETC, and many more. It also has a deep research tools for Japanese markets that you can actually try to use yourself. It also offers integration with the Rakuten's ecosystem, like your points and many more. And lastly, it offers low trading fees for Japan listed equities. As you can see here, if you check in investors, you can see some libraries here. You can see all the stakeholders data here, the shareholders, and all the numbers and data that you can check for yourself for the trading fees. Now they also have offering a lot of features like for the sustainability at Rakuten. They also have Rakuten innovation like for technology, depending on your regions and depending on what type of topic is this, like for diversity, e-commerce, and sort of stuff. And that's very nice and organized. So you can also see all the data and media created here. Now the only downside is though, it is primarily focused on the Japanese residents. And the interface is mostly in Japanese, so they have limited English support. They also have no crypto trading. It's also not beginner friendly for global investors. They have no commission-free structure like Moomoo or Webull. They have an app interface which is less modern than rivals, and they have a lot of cool but not really useful features. Now, next we have is Moomoo. Moomoo, on the other hand, is a commission-free trading platform backed by Futu Holdings. It's known for its advanced charting tools, real-time level 2 data, and a strong mobile and desktop experience. So before we talk about its pros and cons, let's check what it offers. So in investments, it offers an options, stocks, ETFs, and even the new crypto trading, some fractional shares, and a cash sweep. Now for the features, they have paper trading, some charts, stack analysis, and as I mentioned, they have level 2 data and the Moomoo desktop. Now for the market analysis, you can try real-time quotes on your stocks, options, futures, ETFs, and Forex. And they have tools like Stock Screener, heat maps, earning calendars, and institutional tracker. And for the news, you can check the headlines and other topics trending. And for the pricing though, they have varieties of pricing depending on what type it is, like just the commissions or the crypto or the margin rate. And we can actually check that ourselves. So for the commissions, we can see here that they have a zero commission and 0.49% on the transaction amount platform fee. So if you want to open your account, you can check all the fees. Now for the promotions though, they have different type like the welcome bonus, the Moomoo Monday, some Moomoo Millions, and a lot of referral promotions. And for the resources, you can just check here. Now let's talk about the pros. They have offering zero commissions on trading like stocks, ETFs, and options, which is what I've mentioned. They also have free NASDAQ level 2 data. So we've seen that. They also have strong technical analysis tools. And it has AI powered news and alerts. So just the news and the alerts are all AI powered. So it will be automatically searching the web for news. They also have paper trading and educational tools. So as you can see here, the tools right here, and even have the paper trading, which is a cool feature that you want to use if you're not good or if you're new to trading yet. And they also have an easy account setup. So if you want to try and open an account right now, it's very simple. Just have to try and can even claim some free features. Now for the bad side though, or the downside, they have no mutual funds or the bonds. They also have limited support for non-US markets, so it's mostly just very advanced and useful on US markets. And if you want to take full advantage of it, you might want to be a US citizen. And it's not available in all countries, so as I mentioned, it's mostly on the US markets. And the crypto support is still limited. So as you can see here, since the crypto is still new, they still have limited support for crypto. Now next we have is Webull. Now lastly, Webull is a US-based commission-free trading app offering stocks, options, ETFs, and crypto with a simple and sleek design aimed at retail traders. So I've mentioned this, it's still and also the same as Moo is also a US-based platform. So for the pros, let's talk about its pros and starting with free stock. They have ETFs and options and crypto trading. They also have extended hours trading, and you have a user-friendly app and desktop platform that you can use actually to yourself and try. As you can see here, the mobile app is very, very simple. You can scan this QR code and open your own account. They also have a paper trading and basic education. So same as Moomoo, they have paper trading that you want to try. And here's actually all the trading they have available for stocks, overnight trading. They have options, index, futures, ETFs, OTC, margin, fractional shares, and the new one is the Kalshi collaboration, which is the Kalshi Harleys. And for investing, you have the cash management, recurrent investing, retirement accounts, some fixed incomes, which is also new, and some money markets. And for the tools, as I mentioned, they have paper trading and charts and tools. So it's also good for beginners and casual investors. And lastly, they support retirement accounts, which is the IRAs in the USA. And for the bad side though, they have no mutual funds or bonds as well, same as Moomoo. They have less powerful charting tools than Moomoo. So unlike Moomoo, their charting tools are not that advanced. And they have limited to US markets. So same as Moomoo as well, it is US based, so it's mostly just gonna be taken advantage of in the US markets. And they have fewer research tools compared to larger brokers. And lastly, the option tools are still basic. So if you want to try the tools, they're still basic, not the same as Moomoo. But if you want, you can try the premium. So let's check the premium here. And for the premium, you can subscribe. You can actually adjust depending on what type of premium you have, depending on the value. You can actually adjust it right here. You're investing, you can try it yourself. Now here, we also have different rates for premium users. So these are the premium margin rates, the premium RRA match, and then some match on transfers, and a lot of more features that's only available on the premium version. So in conclusion, choose Rakuten Securities if you are a Japanese resident who wants strong domestic stock access and integration with Rakuten's ecosystem, and choose Moomoo if you're a global US investor looking for advanced tools, level 2 data, and pro level features with zero to none commissions. And lastly, choose Webull if you want a clean, beginner-friendly platform that includes crypto, paper trading, and all-in-one mobile investing. So Rakuten is best for Japan investors, Moomoo is best for active traders who need data-rich tools, and Webull is best for beginners or best for beginners US traders who want simplicity plus crypto access. And that's basically the difference between them for Rakuten, Moomoo, and Webull.